Hey guys, what's up? It's Alice and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to talk about Rimowa and show you my mini haul that I got recently. Rimowa is my favorite brand for luggages, and a couple months ago they came out with this new color called Desert Rose, which is basically pink. And so when I saw it, I absolutely had to get it. I was eyeing it for months and decided to splurge for the holidays. So I bought two of the luggages that they had. I bought the Essential Cabin and the Essential Check-in L. I figured that I didn't need the Trunk Plus, and I know that it's silly, but I really love that they match. I've never had matching luggages like this before, and I am so happy. Also, it is such a beautiful shade of pink, and I am so in love with it already. So the two luggages that I bought are the same sizes as the two that I already have, which is great because I know that that's exactly what I need and I know what to expect. So the cabin size one, I think it's a little small, but it's great for weekend trips. And also it has this built-in lock and it rolls so smoothly, which is my favorite part of these Rimowa bags, is that they just, you just push it and it'll just roll forever. For the Check-in L, it's the same size as the one that I've already been using for the past couple years, but the huge difference is that the new one has a zipper. So my old Rimowa has a clasp, so you kind of have to like push it together and then clasp it. So it was really restrictive and I couldn't really stuff a lot of stuff in it, but that was actually great because I was never worried about my bag going over the weight limit. But this new one has a zipper instead of the clasp, so I feel like it will be a new experience. So apart from these two luggages, I actually bought another item in Desert Rose, and it is the Crossbody Bag. So I knew that I wanted this the moment that I saw it online, but the price kind of threw me off a little bit. It's a little pricey for such a tiny bag. But then when I went to the store to get my two luggages, I had to take a peek at it. So I asked to look at it, and that's when I fell in love, and I knew it was over for me, and I bought it. And here it is! I'm gonna do a really quick unboxing for you right now. So it's in this little box. There's Rimowa on it. There's the Rimowa logo. And it opens like this. And it comes in its little bag. In this little bag, keep it open, and there it is, the Rimowa Crossbody Bag in Desert Rose. It is just so adorable. I had to get it. Had to get a whole matching set. So it opens like this. Ta-da! And these are the straps that you can put on. These are the straps. And they go in on the side over here. Is it? This is the bag. This is the Crossbody Bag. It's so cute. It's just the perfect size for when I travel. So I haven't traveled in months, right? But every time I travel, I like to carry a small purse that holds all of my important stuff, like my passport, my boarding pass, my cash, credit cards, whatever important stuff, a pen to fill out forms. And I learned from my very paranoid mother, she says that my important stuff should stay on my body when I'm on the plane. So this crossbody bag is just the perfect size for what I need. If you look into it's pretty roomy. It's a lot roomier than it looks. And it has a little pocket over here where you can put your cards, you can put your cash and stuff inside to here. passports, boarding pass can all go in there. And the best part is, this is why it's more perfect than the one purse that I've already been using when I travel, is that it fits my phone in here and my keys. And as we all know, they don't make women's clothes with pockets ever, so I always end up holding my phone. Now I can put it in here. It fits. And the very, very best part is that it matches my suitcases. Once we can travel again, I'm going to be the cutest person at the airport with my matching Rimowas. I've just never had such a perfect set before, and I'm very happy. Also, aside from traveling, I think this bag is great for everyday use as well. So nowadays, I barely go out, and whenever I do, I just like to carry a very small purse with me. And this is perfect. It fits everything that I need, and also it fits this little cute sashimi grocery bag that my sister bought for me. Like right here. See? Fits. I'm telling you, this is a lot roomier than you think it is. Also, it's super sturdy, straps are detachable, also it stands on its own. And honestly, I think my absolute favorite part is that it fits my phone. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed me talking about justifying my expensive purchases. I know we can't travel for a while, but I absolutely can't wait to travel again. And I'm gonna look so cute at the airport with my matching set. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below where is the first place you're gonna travel to once we can travel again. I think the first place that I want to go to, most definitely New York, because I miss it. And outside of the country, I think Paris, maybe? Europe somewhere. I'd love to go to Europe again. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.